MARPOL Annex 4 sets the international requirements for preventing pollution by sewage from ships. It applies to ships engaged in international voyages of 400 gross tonnage and above, and to ships of less than 400 gross tonnage certified to carry more than 15 persons. Its purpose is to protect the marine environment, coastal waters, ports, and public health by controlling the collection, treatment, retention, and discharge of sewage generated on board. Under Annex 4, sewage includes drainage and wastes from toilets, urinals, medical spaces, spaces containing live animals, and other wastewaters when mixed with such drainage. Applicable ships must be surveyed and certified. Compliance is confirmed by the International Sewage Pollution Prevention Certificate, or ISPP certificate, which verifies that the ship's sewage arrangements, equipment, and discharge connections meet the convention requirements. Ships must be fitted with one of the approved sewage systems required by Annex 4, an approved sewage treatment plant, an approved sewage comminuting and disinfecting system, or a sewage holding tank of suitable capacity. They must also have a standard discharge connection so that sewage can be transferred safely to shore reception facilities. Equipment must be approved, maintained, operational, and suitable for the ship's service, number of persons on board, and voyage pattern. Discharge of sewage into the sea is prohibited unless Annex 4 conditions are fully satisfied. Treated sewage may be discharged through an approved sewage treatment plant, provided it does not produce visible floating solids or discoloration of the surrounding water. Comminuted and disinfected sewage may normally be discharged more than 3 nautical miles from the nearest land. Untreated sewage may normally be discharged only more than 12 nautical miles from the nearest land and must not be discharged instantaneously, but at a moderate rate while the ship is proceeding en route. Special area requirements are stricter. The Baltic Sea is designated as a MARPOL Annex 4 special area for passenger ships. In such areas, passenger ships must either discharge sewage to port reception facilities or use an approved sewage treatment plant meeting the applicable enhanced standards, especially for nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. Effective Annex 4 compliance requires valid certificates, approved equipment, correct valve control, proper use of holding tanks, accurate maintenance records, crew familiarization, planned discharge operations, and use of adequate port reception facilities. It must also be controlled through the ship's safety management system under the ISM code. The core principle of Annex 4 is that sewage must be retained, treated, or discharged only under legally permitted conditions, so that pollution from shipboard sanitary waste is prevented.